Hi guys, today we'll learn how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll land on your main inbox screen where your emails usually appear. Now look at the top left corner and you'll see the three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it because this menu shows different folders and settings where we can check if our emails are going somewhere else. After opening the menu, you'll see several folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and others. Now scroll down a little until you find the Spam folder. Sometimes Gmail automatically moves suspicious emails here by mistake. So tap on Spam and carefully check if the missing emails are sitting there instead of your inbox. If your emails are not in the Spam folder either, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. Because honestly, if your internet is slow or disconnected, Gmail won't be able to refresh and receive new messages. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and stable. Then reopen Gmail and refresh the inbox. If the issue still isn't fixed, don't worry. Another simple solution is to restart your phone. Sometimes apps stop syncing properly because of small system glitches, and restarting the device refreshes everything. So just restart your phone, open Gmail again, and in many cases, the missing emails will start appearing normally. So that's how you can easily fix Gmail not receiving emails using a few simple checks. Most of the time, the problem is related to spam filtering, internet connection, or a small app glitch. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. And feel free to leave a comment if you want help with another app or problem.